Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. I'm Alex, your host, and I am so glad you're here. Today, we have an exciting word to explore, and that word is alert. It's a C1 level noun that means a warning or awareness. It's a word that's not just useful, but also carries a sense of urgency and preparedness. So let's break it down. When we talk about alert, we can think of it as a signal or a warning that grabs your attention and helps you stay aware of something important. For example, the Weather Service issued a flood alert to the residents. It can also mean being in a state of heightened awareness, like she was on high alert during the security drill. Let's look at some synonyms of alert. Words like warning, notification, and alarm can often be used in similar contexts. For instance, you might say, I received a notification about the meeting, or the fire alarm went off in the building. These words help convey a sense of urgency or a call to action, just like alert. On the flip side, let's talk about antonyms of alert. Words like ignorance, inattention, and unawareness can highlight a contrasting meaning. For example, his ignorance of the traffic rules caused confusion, or her inattention led to a missed opportunity. These words remind us of the importance of staying vigilant and aware. In everyday life, we often hear or use alert in various contexts. If you're driving, you might be told to stay alert for sudden stops. At work, your boss might say, keep me alert to any updates from the client. It's also common in digital spaces, like receiving a security alert from your email provider. Now, let's explore some sentences using alert. The child's quick reaction to the fire alert saved lives. The company sent out an alert about a potential data breach. His constant state of alert made him an excellent lifeguard. Before we wrap up, let's recap. The word alert means a warning or awareness, and we've seen how it can be used in warnings, signals, or states of readiness. We explored its synonyms, like warning and alarm, and its antonyms, like ignorance and inattention. It's such a versatile word that you can use it in so many real-life situations. Thank you so much for tuning into today's episode. If you enjoyed this discussion, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before you go, I have a challenge for you. Create your own sentence using alert and share it in the comments. I can't wait to read what you come up with. See you next time on Hello Word.